you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a hair review for you guys on this hair that I'm wearing from a company called Recool. I'm gonna stop myself right there. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this name and make myself look foolish on here, so I'll just leave it in the title. So I'll just leave the name listed in the title of this video, and that's it. This here is their 8A deep wave 360 lace front wig. Now this is pretty much what the hair looks like. I already went ahead and installed it, which I will insert a little clip for me unboxing the hair and basically showing you guys the hair. But before I actually start talking about the hair, I'm just gonna show you guys a clip of me unboxing the hair and installing it. Now, to not make this video way too long, I'm just going to tell you guys the good and the bad about this hair. I'll start off with all the good qualities. So, first thing first is that the shipping on the hair was really fast. The hair came with absolutely no smell. I must say that the curl pattern on this hair is so beautiful. As you guys can see right now, this is the hair after I wet it. This is the hair after it's been dried. As you guys saw, I did wet the hair and I did my makeup and everything, and it's now the hair after it's been dried. I really like the curl pattern on this hair. It's really beautiful. The curl hair is actually really soft and it's really nice. So since I installed the hair, I have not gotten any shedding or any tangling so far. And the hair is true-to-let. I do believe I got a 20-inch or a 22-inch in this unit. The unit came really full. This, I believe, is a 150 density. I don't have all the info on this here in front of me, but I will leave it listed down below in the description bar for you guys. Now, let's get into like all the stuff that I don't like about this hair. First thing first, the unit came with like absolutely no customizations to the frontal whatsoever. So the hair on the lace frontal itself in the front was like so thick that I spent about at least a good hour and a half just trying to tweeze it, and also because my tweezer wasn't really working too well. It's like twisted up at the tip of it. So the unit took me like forever to pluck, and mind you, I didn't even pluck it to where that if I wanted to like pull back the hair, it looks natural. It doesn't even look that realistic. You guys know I'm like good for plucking my units to where they actually look really natural, but this one, if I tell you guys that I spent an hour and a half plucking this unit and it still doesn't look natural, something's wrong. Like, something is definitely wrong. Like, the hair, honestly don't even know why they added so much hair to the starting of the lace. Like, it made no sense to me. Like, usually, yeah, you have to pluck some hair to make it look realistic, but this one is like, it looks like how the hair would look in the center of your unit. Like, it's just thick. You guys know how they put the hair in the back of a unit. Like, it's just straight, no customization, nothing like that. That's how the hair looked in the front of this unit. So I was like, what's going on? And another thing that I've noticed is that their lace is like kind of hard. Obviously, I work with a lot of different type of units and different type of laces, but this one, sorry, there's honestly like a lot of different type of laces out there, but this one, just the texture and the feel of the lace itself was like kind of hard. And I think I received this here about 2 months ago, and I'm just doing a review. I don't think that should be an issue to why the lace was like so hard. So like, I did co-wash this here before I even installed it, just because I wanted to like soften everything. And the last thing that I could honestly say that I don't like about this hair period is that the hair is soft. Like, don't get me wrong, the hair is soft, but it feels like those fake Barbie doll hair type soft. Like, it's soft, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna last me a while. So that's the only other thing with this hair, is that I honestly don't know how long it's gonna last, because just the way it feels, like, it honestly feels like plastic. And you guys, it's cute. Like I said, the curls on the hair is really nice. I love the curl pattern. Like honestly, the wig itself would be really nice for like if you're going on vacation and you just want to give your hair a break and you know you just want to do something with your hair. I think my favorite thing overall about the unit itself is just the curl pattern. Like I really like how the curls look. And like I said, it's been about an hour and a half now since I sprayed it, and this is what the hair is looking like. So as you guys can see, the hair is not looking too dry since I went ahead and wet it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have it listed down below in the description box for you guys. If I have any coupon code, that also will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's always a pleasure having you guys tune in with me. If I have any additional info, it will be listed down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.